Come, let us spill this already spilled juice. We are going to report on a Skeem Saam actor that has been arrested and reported by Maphephandaba. So Maphephandaba reports, headline, former Skeem Saam actor arrested. I didn't know that Dr. Hlongwane is going to leave Skeem Saam, but nonetheless, let's continue. Former Skeem Saam, who's now on My Brother's Keeper, hashtag Sebasa Mohali and his wife appeared in court yesterday for Bitcoin scam. Victims of the scam allegedly and reportedly deposited money via altcoin trader, buying mining packages varying from 6,500 to 253,000. The scammer couple is allegedly released on 10,000 bail each and are expected to be back in court on May the 20th, 2024. Guys, how do you give a person 6,000 rand? No. Like, you can risk with the 1,000 rands, right? But 6, angeke, I refuse, nyala. No, angeke. Like, share, and subscribe.